everyone, my name is Saket Kantari. Today I am going to talk about non-technical topic is Digital India. Digital India is an initiative launched by the Government of India in 2015 to transform the country into digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. Its primary goal is ensure that government services are made available to citizens electronically by improving online trans- infrastructure and expanding internet connectivity. Here, detailed overview of its components, the objective, vision and objective. Infrastructure as a utility for every citizen to provide high-speed internet as a core utility in rural and urban areas. Access to digital resources and services. Governance and services on demand, delivering government services digitally, minimizing paperwork and enhancing age of doing business, digital improvement of citizens, encouraging digital literacy in the availability of digital resources in Indian languages and making technology accessible for all. Second key pillar of Digital India. Digital India is built on 9 pillars: broadband, highway, highways establishing broadband access across rural and urban India by laying fiber optics and improving internet infrastructure, universal access to mobile connectivity, extending mobile connectivity to over villages in remote areas, public internet access program, creating common service center to provide e-service in rural areas and connectivity post office into multi-service centers, e-governance, reforming government process using IT to ensure efficient delivery of services like income tax, filing passport and online voting, e-Kranti, electronic delivery of services, delivering various government services digitally such as health, education, financial service and justice. Information for all, creating open data platform for easy access to government information and public participation. Then electronics manufacturing, boosting domestic manufacturing of electronics to reduce import and create job. Then IT for job, providing training in IT and related field to create a digital workforce. Early harvest program, quick win project like e-signature, a national portal lost and found document and biometric attendance in government office. Third is flagship program under Digital India. BharatNet, a program to connect all 2.5 lakh gram Panchayat village council in India. Fibers ensuring rural connectivity. Unified mobile application for new age government, a mobile app that provides over 100 government services from central, state and local levels. DigiLockers, a platform for storing and accessing government issue document digitally. Aadhaar, the unique identification system, has been central to delivering and benefits directly to citizen, removing middlemen. BHIM, Bharat Interface for Money and UPI Unified Payment Interface, digital payment platform aimed at promoting a cashless economy. Make in India and Startup India. Enter the self-reliance in the touch industry. Increase internet penetration. Rural internet has grown significantly with over 6 Uh, Digital payment, the adoption of digital payment through platforms like UPI has financial transaction. Thank you.